How to open Revolut account in France 2025. The process is direct, demanding precision. First, acquire the Revolut application from your device's app store. Install it. Upon launch, input your phone number. An SMS verification code will follow. Enter this code to proceed. Establish a secure passcode. This barrier protects your assets. Subsequently, furnish your legal name, date of birth, and current French residential address. Accuracy is paramount. Choose your account plan: Standard, Plus, Premium, Metal, or Ultra. Evaluate their utility against your needs. Then, identity verification. Present official French identification, national ID, or passport. Clear photographs, front and back, are required. A live biometric scan, a selfie, will confirm your identity. This is non-negotiable regulatory compliance. Once verified, fund your new Revolut account. Options: bank transfer from a French institution or debit card linkage. Your account is now operational. Order a physical card through the app if desired.